Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Rimsha decor. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. And then don't miss any other amazing video designs and decorations. Where do you watch my video? Please tell me in comment box. So guys, I am back with another beautiful idea about square shape cake decor ideas and rectangle shape cake decor ideas in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, stylish, eye-catching cake decor ideas that suit both homeland and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video and subscribe my YouTube channel. I provide you simple idea of your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. I hope you enjoy my video. The creativity are mentioned in my YouTube video. If you like any designs and if you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs. If you are interested in these types of design, in these types of video, then please tell me in comment box for more videos. I hope you enjoy my cake designs. All the designs are very unique and trendy. These designs bring the excitement of birthday celebrations. Persons make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. Cake decor ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decor ideas transforms into bright celebration. All the designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing, so beautiful. If you want to see more make party decor ideas, cake decor ideas or any other celebration ideas, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone. Bye bye.